Ever wondered just how taxing relocation can be? The seemingly endless task list, the packing, the unpacking, not to mention the fear of leaving something behind. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. But what if there was a solution to ease all these troubles away? Enter MOVEZON Relocation, Hyderabad's premier relocation service provider. With a track record of successful moves, we've become the go-to solution for hassle-free relocation at budget-friendly rates. Don't just take our word for it. One of our satisfied customers, Mrs. Kapoor, shares her experience. Moving with MOVEZON was a breeze, she says. They took care of everything, from packing to transport, and even helped me set up at my new place. I didn't have to lift a finger. The best part? It was all within my budget. And then there's Mr. Reddy, who needed an efficient solution for his office relocation. With MOVEZON, the process was seamless. The team was professional, timely, and took great care of our office equipment. We were up and running at our new location in no time, he enthuses. But it's not just about moving from point A to point B. MOVEZON offers a suite of services tailored to your needs, from warehousing and storage to car and bike transportation. We're with you every step of the way, ensuring your move is as smooth as possible. You see, at MOVEZON, we believe in making your relocation journey a memorable one, not a stressful one. So why not give yourself the gift of peace of mind and let us handle your relocation needs? With MOVEZON, you're not just moving houses or offices. You're moving towards a fresh start, a new beginning. So why wait? Give us a call and experience the MOVEZON difference. Let us turn your moving challenges into moving triumphs. It's time to make your next move, your best move, with MOVEZON Relocation.